Namaste everyone. Have you ever felt like you wanted to speak in front of a class or on stage, but fear held you back? Your heart pounds, hands tremble, and your voice refuses to cooperate. I have been there. Once, I was asked to host an event. I stood on stage, embarrassed and overwhelmed. That experience haunted me until I discovered something that completely changed the game: NLP, Neuro Linguistic Programming. NLP is the science of how your mind communicates with your body and behavior. Neuro refers to your nervous system and brain. Linguistic refers to language, both spoken and internal. And programming means the patterns and habits we repeat. Think of your mind like a computer. What you think, say, and imagine is the software. If your mental software is full of bugs like I can't do this, I will fail again, or I'm not so smart enough, your actions and emotions will follow those commands. NLP teaches us to rewrite this software intentionally, replacing doubt with certainty and fear with confidence. But here's something extraordinary. What we call NLP today was practiced centuries ago in ancient India. The Gurukul system wasn't just about memorizing scriptures. Rishi Munis trained their students in mental mastery, self-regulations, and deep focus through ancient tools that mirror NLP today. For instance, before each learning session, students set a sankalpa, a clear intention. They declared something like Mama Karmanam Siddhaye Aham Karomi, meaning I act with purpose and success. This is exactly what NLP teaches today. The power of setting an empowering frame of mind before engaging in any task. Students would chant mantras like Aham Brahmasmi, I am divine, and Soham, I am that, which rewired their belief systems, helping them embody focus, clarity, and confidence. Their day began at Brahma Muhurta before sunrise, a time when the mind is calm and the energy is naturally inward focused. Instead of information load, learning was personal, rhythmic, and deeply connected to visualization and silence. Students observed nature, their breath, and their emotional reactions. This self-awareness and self-training were the cornerstones of the Gurukul mindset. No mobile phones, no apps, just mental power, discipline, and clarity. Fast forward to today. Students have access to online coaching, YouTube videos, AI tutors, and piles of PDFs. Yet, many of them feel lost, anxious, confused, and unmotivated. Why? Because even though we feed the brain with content, we forget to train the mind that processes it. We never learn how to build confidence, focus, inner calm, or emotional control. This is where NLP becomes a game changer. One of the biggest reasons students fail, even after working hard, is not due to lack of talent but due to mental blocks. Limiting beliefs like I always forget or I'm not just good at physics starts running as background programs. Add to that the fear of judgment and past failures and the pressure to perform, and you have the perfect storm for mental collapse. NLP shows us that these patterns are not fixed, they are learned, and what is learned can be unlearned and replaced. Let me introduce you to one of NLP's most powerful techniques, anchoring. Anchoring connects a physical action like pressing two fingers together with a strong emotional state like confidence. Here's how it works. Recall a time when you felt confident, proud, or happy. Recall a time when you felt confident, proud, or happy. Visualize it deeply. Visualize it deeply. Feel it in your body. And at the peak of that feeling, press your thumb and middle finger together. At the peak of that feeling, press your thumb and middle finger together. Repeat this every day. Eventually, this physical gesture becomes a switch that brings back the emotion on demand. Before your next exam or presentation, press your anchor and feel your brain shift into a powerful mode. This is not imagination, it's a neuroscience. When you react a positive state and repeat the same gesture, you are wiring that emotional response into your nervous system. Just like athletes anchor calmness before a match, or singers anchor joy before performing, students can anchor focus, calm, or confidence. To understand the power of thought, let's try something today. Close your eyes and imagine holding a bright yellow lemon. You cut it open. Feel the juice on your fingers. Now imagine lifting it up and biting into it. Visualize the juice flooding your mouth. Chances are you just began to salivate, even though the lemon wasn't real. That's how NLP works. Your mind doesn't need the experience to be real, it only needs it to be vivid. The same way you imagined the lemon and your body reacted. You can imagine success, calm, or clarity, and your nervous system will respond. So, how can NLP help you with your studies and memory? Most students try to memorize facts by reading and rereading, but the brain doesn't learn through repetition alone. It learns through emotions and imagery. Use NLP technique to make learning visual and creative. Turn history into a movie in your mind. Turn science into dance or sound. Turn equations into symbols and stories. These are not silly tricks. They are based on how the brain naturally remembers. Before you start studying, sit in silence for 30 seconds. Close your eyes and declare a sankalpa like, I absorb information with clarity and joy. Anchor a feeling of calmness, then begin. You'll notice better concentration and higher retention. Over time, study becomes enjoyable and rewarding. As a student, you need more mental rituals. Here's one I use before public speaking. I sit still and breathe slowly. I repeat my sankalpa like I speak clearly and powerfully. And then I press my confidence anchor. And then I smile and visualize the stage. This ritual takes 60 seconds, but it reprograms my state completely. So why is NLP important? Because it gives you back control. Because it brings back your confidence. Because it helps you connect ancient tools with modern needs. Because no app can replace the power of your trained mind. Let's end with a short affirmation ritual. Close your eyes. Breathe in deeply and repeat after me. I am calm. I learn with joy. I express myself with ease. I am focused and powerful. I grow every single day. Your mind is your greatest tool. Train it, respect it, empower it. NLP is not just a science, it is a sacred bridge between ancient discipline and modern transformation. Thank you for watching. If this message helped you, share it with someone who needs inner strength and clarity today.